Back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Luhair. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's free. And also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Showing you guys some of the items that does come in the box. You do get a wig cap, an elastic band, and you also do get an edge brush, and they also include a satin bag. Now the box is sturdy by itself if you want to store your unit back in there, but for the ladies that do not like to keep boxes because they don't want to take up any room, you can just put it back in the satin bag. So this unit is called Lalita that I will be showing you guys today. It is a Brazilian curly bob lace front wig. It is in a natural hair color. I have the length 14 inches. It does come in a pre-plucked hairline. It's 150% in density. The lace color is medium brown. And I do want to show you guys that this does come with the removable adjustable straps. You do get your soft lace. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and also your adjustable strap. I already washed this unit off of camera. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I already pre-styled it on the mannequin head. A lot of you guys know, or if you are new to my channel, I love to style my units on the mannequin head and let them set, just because I feel like it's just easier when you do it on the mannequin head. If you guys have not seen a styling video when I do it on the mannequin head, I'll make sure to leave my latest one down below. And I get a lot of questions about them, but I do style my units after I wash them on camera. I've done it a bunch of times. I do need to update some things like a bleaching tutorial and also a washing tutorial, like a shampoo tutorial. But it's kind of hard to do a lot of the bleaching things just because a lot of companies are starting to do them already. So I'm just cutting off the lace on this unit, and as you guys can see, it is a little bit lighter. Now this does say that it is a medium brown, but you guys know I'm going to make sure to try to blend it as best as possible so it can blend in with my skin. I did not use any tint, but after I washed it and it dried, I was like, dang, I should have put some tint on it just to kind of make it blend in a little bit better. I do want to go glueless. I will be using my yellow bottle of Got to Be Free spray, and I am putting that on the edge brush, and then I am going to swoop over those hairs. This is just going to help me have extra security, but this is not meant for like long term. It will last me a little bit if I am not going to be doing a whole bunch for the day. Like if I'm running a whole bunch of errands, then I would not do this method. But it is going to help just kind of lay everything down because I don't want to have to put a whole bunch of freeze spray on, and I definitely do not want to use any glue. Size on this one is average, so it's about 22 to 22.5 inches. Now it was a little bit big on me, but once I tightened up the elastic band, it did give me that extra security. So if you have a smaller head, this would probably be a little bit big on you, and you are going to have to go in and kind of lay it down, because the last thing you want to worry about is any of the lace flapping up. So now I'm just using my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm going to work on making sure to blend this in really well. I am having to use 2 colors just to make it not so noticeable. I know it's probably still going to come off a little bit light, and that's okay. But I do know that I can always go in and tint it a little bit better afterwards. That's the good thing about lace. You have to just kind of play around with it and learn what's going to work for you, what colors are going to work for you. Because sometimes when I do powder, each wig is different, and sometimes the lace, I'm going to have to use different powders and play around with different things. So after I am done with that, I'm just going to fluff up the hair. I'm using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. And guys, this hair is very thick. Now I have the 150% density, but they also have 180% online. I don't think 180% is needed because, as you guys can see, once I start to fluff it up, look how pretty and thick it looks. That is a lot of hair. That's a good amount of hair in my opinion. And as you guys can see, that is one side fluffed up and then the other side is not touched. And I'm just going to go in and then fluff it all up together, making sure to get the nape area and focusing on the ends of the hair. That all the hair is fluffed up, and I'm making sure to pull out any hairs from the very back of the nape area where it kind of gets caught up in the comb. And then I see that it is a little poofy on one side, so I'm just going to take that wax stick, and then I will take the hot comb and just kind of press it out. Now with this unit, the curls do not start at the roots, but I do feel like it still looks good. Like I said, that is a personal preference. Some people love it for it to start at the roots, and then some people are okay with it. Now, as you guys can see, I'm also going to take my Got To Be Free spray, and then I am going to put it right in the front area just because I do want this to have a little height in the front. And this is definitely a nice curly bob. It's kind of angled on one side, a little bit longer on one side, and then a little bit shorter on the other side. You do definitely get a lot of density with this wig. As I said, I think it is going to be great for the fall time. The length hits me perfectly. Now, this unit you can purchase in 10, 12, and 14. So 14 is the longest, which is what I am rocking, and I am only 5'2". The curls on this are gorgeous. I had no issues when I washed this unit. I had no issues when I styled it. Now, once I fluffed it up, I did get a little bit of shedding. And of course, you are going to probably run into some tangles just because it is curly, especially in the nape area. But you just have to make sure that you refresh it throughout the week when you are wearing this unit. So with this unit, it did not frizz up on me very quickly. Sometimes when I fluff up curly hair, it'll frizz up really quick. But I also, like I said, use the curl defining mousse, and that automatically helps to control some of the frizz. But yeah, with this type of length and also this curl pattern, you are definitely going to have to worry about a little bit of frizz. Now, as far as the parting space goes, the parting space looks very good. You get 13 by 6 inches of parting space. So you can definitely be versatile with this, part it in the middle, part it on the side, and also put it in kind of like a half up, half down styling. The lace was a little bit light, but that is an easy fix because I can always go in and tint my lace, so I'm not too much worried about that. But I feel like it still looks a little bit good. It's not looking too bad at all. Knots on this unit are not bleach. However, they do pre-bleach the front of the hairline for you. So if you do not know how to bleach knots, you don't have to. But I did go in and do a light bleach on them just because I wanted the parting space to just look a little bit more realistic. So guys, let me know what you think about this cute bob. I feel like she is very pretty. She is very thick. For 150% in density, they did a good job on it. It is under $200, so it's very affordable. Like I said, you do not need the 180% density unless you just like a big amount of hair, but this is definitely getting you ready for fall also. So guys, if you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.